In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Bank of America routing number. If you've ever set up direct deposit, paid a bill electronically, or sent a wire, you've used a routing number. It's a 9-digit code that tells banks where to send money, and it can sometimes vary by state or by the type of transfer you're making. Let's walk through several reliable ways to find it and make sure you're using the right one for your account. First, check one of your personal checks. Look at the bottom edge. The routing number is the 9-digit code on the far left. It appears before your account number, and it's printed in a special font to make processing easier. Double check that you're looking at a personal check for the correct account. If you have older checks from a different state or an account you no longer use, don't rely on those. Also be aware that numbers on deposit slips can sometimes differ, so the check itself is your best reference. Next, you can find the routing number by signing into online banking or the mobile app. After you log in, select the account you want to use, then go to account details. There you'll see the routing number clearly labeled. This is one of the most up-to-date sources because it's tied directly to your specific account and location. While you're there, check whether the bank lists separate numbers for ACH transfers versus wire transfers. Some transactions, especially domestic or international wires, can require a different routing number than direct deposits or standard electronic payments. You can also look at your bank statements, whether you receive them by mail or download them as PDFs. Routing numbers are often listed near the account details on the first page, sometimes in the header or footer. If you keep multiple accounts, make sure the statement you're viewing matches the account you're using. Finally, if you want absolute confirmation, call Bank of America customer service. Use the number on the back of your debit card or the official website to ensure you reach the bank directly. Ask the representative to confirm the correct routing number for your specific account and the type of transfer you intend to make, such as direct deposit, ACH, or a wire. This is especially helpful if you've moved or you're setting up a transfer that has special requirements. To recap, check a personal check, review account details in online banking or the app, look over your statements, and call customer service if you need confirmation. With these methods, you'll have the right routing number ready for any transaction.